Hello, this is Lucas from ICERIVER.eu. Today we will unbox this monster. This is ICERIVER KS5L KASPA miner. This miner makes 12 terahash a second, eats 3.4 kilowatt per hour and can be yours by ordering on ICERIVER.eu. We can ship you this miner worldwide. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's gently open this box. Gently cut over here. Here. Oh, hold a second. Here. And here. Now open. And this is heavy monster. So take care on your back and you just open like this. It has about 12 kilograms. So it's kind of on heavy side. And let's see. This is it. Yes! KS5L. This beast can start your serious mining operation. It's simple. Just plug it to the wall right here. Sorry, plug it to the internet right here. And push the button. And now you are a miner. Okay, after you turn it on, you may find your miner on your network. You can use IP reporter, push it 3 times, and now you can configure your wallet, everything, your favorite pool, start your serious mining operation. This is second best miner from ICERIVER. If you want this monster at home, you can, but I would recommend to use one of our silent boxes which can reduce noise from fans, or you can use our hosting which we can provide for you for a reasonable price. You can choose from hosting in Czech Republic, Norway, USA or Dubai or Paraguay. Okay, thank you. See you next time with another miner.